fan of Montreal, you were complaining about who won. But either way, a good weekend overall. It was dry. And as we take a look at November so far, we've trended above seasonal. That's what anything represented in that sort of orange color is showing you. Blue is when we've been below average. Also, I want you to note this. This shows when we've seen rain showers. So last week, there was only at the end of the week where we saw a little bit of light rain. Now for this afternoon, we're not seeing rain. We're seeing increasing cloud cover though, and a below average high of 2 degrees for Toronto. But there is some wet weather, really messy weather coming for us. Now as we take a look at this map and this pink line, if you're above the pink line, you're 0 degrees or below. If you are below this pink line, you are above the freezing mark. And this is going to really tell the story of who tomorrow is going to see rain and who's going to see snow or a mix of it, because it's moving in. While it doesn't move in for the morning commute, by mid-morning, we're going to be seeing showers. There's Hamilton and Niagara getting into the rain. But notice areas north of the 401 have the potential for a rain-snow mix, if not just some straight-up snow at times before it starts to move out and clear out, making way for a drier, nicer Wednesday overall. So tomorrow, dismal, cold November rain, 10 to 20 millimeters here for the GTA, and the snowfall is going to amount to this much. Dundalk Highlands about 3 to 5 centimeters. Brampton, Milton, you've got rain, you've got that mixed in with snow, so it's about under 2 centimeters of that slushy, sloppy kind of off as we head into our weekend. Time now for Share Your Weather. Those parades, Toronto is going to host theirs on November 26th, so mark your calendars. For today, we're looking at a crisp, dry start to the week, but a messy mix is on tap for tomorrow. And a story we're going to have shortly for you is, can squirrels forecast the winter? We'll find that out in just over a minute. Now, for this afternoon, we're sitting around 0 for Toronto. We'll notice increasing cloud cover as the day goes on, and that 0 is below seasonal. Usually we're closer to about 6 for this time of year. Here's Tuesday, snapshot of 6 a.m. We're going to be dry to start that morning commute, but then watch what happens. Mid-morning rain showers shoot into Hamilton and Niagara. By the lunch hour, it gets into Toronto. And look, along the 401, we've got rain. North of that, we could be seeing a rain-snow mix, maybe some patchy freezing rain, and then it starts to clear out as we get you through the overnight hours. And by Wednesday morning, it'll be drier. But, you know, it's a steady rain, good 10 to 20 millimeters here for Toronto to Oshawa, over towards Peterborough. And how much snow are we talking? Well, it's a bit of a messy mix around Peterborough, so that's under 2 centimeters mixed in with the rain. Dundalk Highlands, Orangeville, maybe 3 to 5 centimeters on tap for you. Now, as we take a look at the long-range forecast, this is a heads up that Arctic air is sinking south. We're going to really be below average into our long range forecast. So the next time that moisture moves in that long range forecast, we can maybe, let's see if squirrels can forecast the winter.